Hello, good morning. We are Pacific Home and Garden, and my name is Antonio. Today we will be showing you one of our newest fountain reservoir, which you can see right in front of me. We decided to do a little video to showcase how well done this particular reservoir is. As of now, there is nothing in the market that can sustain the weight that this particular reservoir can do. So as you can see, it's right here. It's about 30 inches, 29, 30 inches, and it has 4 small little pockets or cups that you can tell very easily you can remove them. So I can just show you. Later on, I will show you what's the purpose of this. For right now, it's just a showcase. So I'm gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna show you how well done this is. So hopefully you can appreciate it. But there are 4 particular pieces that once they are combined, it creates this amazing bond. So when I turn it around, you can see it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. These pieces actually come apart. Meaning that when you're working with your fountain, if you place this piece on the reservoir, and for whatever reason you want more access underneath the fountain, you can just remove the piece and place it back in. So once again, once they're all together, it's really strong. This is a very solid piece. So even if I put it on the ground, I stand on it and I jump. I'm about 170 pounds, which is not a lot of weight, but look at it, doesn't crack, it doesn't scratch, it doesn't make any kind of noise. It's just a very solid formation. So in here, you can also see that there are 4 additional supports. 1, 2, 3, and 4. What this does is once I sit this piece, it adds additional strength to this reservoir. Meaning that if I choose to go with a clay fountain or even a stone fountain, this will not bend. This will not sink. So this particular reservoir is here to stay.